Welcome to the tea factory. The process of tea manufacture consists of several stages. The first stage is withering, which means removal of moisture. The leaf is spread on the withering troughs and high velocity fans blow air through the leaves, whereby 30% of moisture is removed. The withered leaf is then passed through a tube to the rotary. Coming out of the rotary then enters the CTC machines. CTC means cutting, turning and curling. These machines, which are